Hi, this is Benjamin with US Tape Company, and today I want to show you how to install a line wiper on your oil gauge tape measure. Line wipers are used to remove oil from the blade. So let's hop right to it. First, you want to remove the handle from the oil gauge tape measure. Next, you'll want to remove the top rubber piece from your line wiper using the flathead screwdriver. Next, you want to line up the hole of the line wiper to the handle and your oil gauge tape measure. Make sure the rubber piece is facing your oil gauge blade end. Once that's secure, feed the blade through the line wiper a little bit, and then you can connect the rubber piece back onto the top of the line wiper. Once that's secure, you've successfully installed your line wiper.